Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's take another ride into the Lagos International Airport to see the rehabilitation and expansion project going on. In today's video, I'll be showing you the Terminal 1 overhaul, some concrete pour activities, a little bit different angle of the access roads, the link bridge, and all on-site activities I could create during the week. One of the key aspects of this project is a complete modernization of Terminal 1. This would include stripping the structure to its frame and rebuilding it with new mechanical, electrical and plumbing systems to meet global standards. This terminal has been in operation for nearly 50 years. This prolonged use has resulted in significant structural degradation and reinforcement corrosion, posing serious structural safety risks. The current terminal configuration is inefficient and unable to support the growing volume of flights and passengers. Existing HVAC, electrical, plumbing, low voltage and baggage handling systems are unreliable and require full replacement. This project is a comprehensive transformation designed to create a safe, modern and comfortable gateway for travelers entering or departing Nigeria, while attracting more tourism and significantly enhancing business. Today's video will once again take you around, showing you the process of this rehabilitation and its progress. Apart from blending contemporary aesthetics with eco-conscious elements to reflect national pride, once completed, the MMIA would include latest security screening and CCTV systems, advanced passenger data protection and analytics systems, upgraded lounges, new fast check-in systems, and automated e-passport control gates. Here, you see them preparing the pump truck so they can cast the second floor of the link bridge from T2 to the multi-level car park. At the piling section, drilling activities are ongoing on this day, and as you just saw, everyone is paying close attention to make sure things are going on smoothly. Here is a quick before and after of that concrete pouring you just saw again. This is how it will look like once casted. The internal layout of MMIA will be reconfigured to streamline passenger movement and improve commercial and office space utilization. Departing and arriving passengers will be separated in the upgraded terminal fingers to reduce congestion and enhance operational efficiency. This area I'm showing you is where we'll lead you into the apron of the aircraft from the temporary departure facility. This is the back of the temporary departure facility. All this area is an apron and it will all be extended by the time they are done. And so the temporary terminal is in the real sense temporary. And why are we having issues, or why are some people having issues with it being temporary? It's not like it's going to be demolished. Everything in there will be used somewhere else, or some of the things there will be used somewhere else. So what issue do we have with being temporary, being permanent, being... The T1 will be beautiful. It will be better than the temporary terminal. And I'm here to show you the entire process, the finishing, the everything. Just stick to my channel and you get all the premium updates. The Murtala Mohammed International Airport Rehabilitation and Expansion Project is financed through the Renewed Hope Infrastructure Development Fund with a timeline of 22 months, aiming to elevate MMIA to a leading regional aviation hub for West Africa. This is the inside of the temporary departure terminal, and I had to come back in here to show you that an HVAC system is in it. You have watched up to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Why? Why? Yeah, please go and subscribe. And don't forget to switch on the notification button so you'll be notified immediately I post on this channel. I'll leave you with a beautiful view of this machine operator in the next slide. The way he's doing his job, making sure all is going on well. I had to climb on this just to pick this angle, and it's quite interesting to watch. That's what I think. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Signing out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything good you're doing for my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.